jammers. Leon, I forgot what they were called. What's the name of your laser jammer?
HP 905 Compact.
Okay, the HP 905. This is the first time a laser jammer test actually has been done on an aircraft. Okay, we got a dual-headed system. We got one on each wing. We got the controller underneath our dashboard here, and we got it plugged into the single-head lighter. Actually, planes got single lighters, but you're not supposed to smoke, right? Anyway, what we're going to be doing, this is a little private airstrip we have. We just completed doing the laser jammer test of Leon's new blinder, the 905?
905, HP 905.
HP 905. I'm so used to the M27, but actually during the test, they blew everything away. This was a problem on the Regal gun. All the other laser jammers did a really good job. So right now what we're doing is we're taxiing the end of my runway here. And we have a gentleman who's going to be at the end of the runway, who's going to be videoing it. He's got the True Speed S.
Yes.
The new laser gun. And he's going to be shooting that, and we're going to be taking off on the runway. And we're going to see if we can jam the True Speed from an airplane. All right? So we're going to be taking off here in a little bit. We're just going to turn this aircraft along. This airstrip is just a little over a half mile long. And we're coming down here to the end of the runway. We're going to close our windows. Leon, if you want to close your window. Latch it down. And we're going to turn around. This is the first time Leon's ever been in a small aircraft. So if Leon starts to puke.
You got a plastic bag.
If he starts to puke or doing something stupid, bear with.
Hey,
Okay?
if I scream like a girl, you better edit it out.
All right. It's a little windy here today. And we're turning around. We got a very narrow runway. It's only about 25 feet long. But we're ready to, hopefully we're ready to go. We'll wait for those guys to get down there to get all set up. I'm assuming they're set up. Give them a second to get set up. Turn our lights on. Turn our beacon lights on. And again, we have an associate of mine that works with me. His name is Scott. I can't be on the laser gun to be in two places at one time. So Scott got a little training session on how to run the True Speed. He's all mic'd up. You have a camera behind him, and of course you see the cameras here on the plane. And again, guys, if you're watching this video right now, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up on Facebook, on YouTube, on our website, radardetector.org. Please leave a comment or suggestion. I don't sell radar detectors. I don't sell laser jammers. I strictly review them. We're impressed with this new blinder laser jammer. You can get a 10% discount by going to radardetector.org, downloading our free ebook, our buyer's guide. It's free. There's no obligation. All you need to do is leave your email address and your name. You download that. There'll be a 10% coupon in that, the buyer's guide. Just use that, and you'll be directed to another website where you can make the purchase. Leon, you ready?
I'm good to go, sir.
Okay, guys, let's go. Here we go. We're adding full power. We got the laser jammers on.
All right, here comes Radar Roy. It just aired out. It truly did just jam. Sure did. This is fantastic. And there goes Leon and Radar Roy.
Out there, I see we got a signal. I don't know if we jammed it because we're up here, but I know there's a lot of noise in the airplane. So
I saw the LEDs light up.
LEDs were lighting up. We looked underneath it.
Yeah, so
there's a lot of noise.
We had detection for sure.
But there you guys go. That's the first laser jammer test ever done in a private aircraft. We're just departing our runway. I'm taking Leon right now. We're going to go to Lake Havasu. We're going to go have some lunch. Hey guys and gals, thank you for watching. Remember, please drive safe and drive safe and smart. And if you happen to be a pilot, please fly safe and smart. This is Radar Roy, Radar